will be party. No, this one, like, it be prison will be party. And it's alleged that Tawali is going to Ankafu, is going to prison. Charlie, that will not be so. It not be so. It be party where they go play for them. Artists.
Like when we live in Chad, was in a party. Still got the crew by me side. My walk quicker than a suicide. Them want me show me happy promise. Me know why I'm not a novice. Pick up me French, mommy buy the property, me buy them.
DJ, kill it for me. Now, when I say big shout out to all Shatta Movement fans, what I say, Nyankopon Shira no Shira. Let me tell you this. Say Nyankopon Shira no Shira. Shatta Movement. Give me this. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome to Rejoice Media TV. This is your main man DJ. You call me social media ambassador. I'm here with you with the update. I call it quick reaction update, and it is an alleged reaction. What I say. So the moment you get a video, I want you to subscribe, share, and then like the page. You understand? Don't forget to leave your comment behind. It is your comment we're going to base on it to actually better our program. You know that thing. Today is another day. I want to tell you something. Hey Charlie, before we move on, you can see the Murai Shatta Movement. We did hot. Shatta Movement name. I said we did hot because the king is inside out anchor food. I tell you, it's not easy. So Shatta Movement. Shall I make it that small?
Yeah, I saw the girl come on, one done. Yeah, I wonder what shot I never found on, one done. Yeah, one done.
So the thing be saying, some people talk say we the Shatta fan, we go feel boy, you know that thing. Shatta fan, and they know say Shatta Movement. People they go feel poor like, hey, Shatta Wale is being arrested, and it's alleged that Shatta Wale is going to Ankafu, is going to prison. Charlie, that will not be so. It not be so. It be party where they go play for them. Charlie, Mr. DJ, kill a song for me. T. I feel now do a feeding at home. I want you to subscribe to Rejoice Media TV. Maybe someone subscribe to Rejoice Media TV. What I say, and to really na why they watch your link in the amount your own. Almost say the 50 team no. Come on, almost say the 2 free team ban on. Just say, me ya me kofa kan na makwa ede. Mako party ni because ni aye ni dey. Say no prison when I dey. Yesterday I told you that prison is going to be so sweet. It is going to be sweet. Shatta Movement T. We are saying Nyankopon Shira no Shira. And people should get this one straight. Say Nyankopon Shira no Shira, no matter where you are, no matter where you be, you're going to be exceptional. Because Shatta Wale yedini koko PM or Ankafu no. Me catch you say, Toma prisoners na ni che. Hey, I shock self. It be prison or be party. No, this one, it be prison or be party. If you drop your comments, you drop your comment. It be prison or it be party. Me, I know say it be show where the man go play. You know that thing. It be show where Shatta Wale go play because we Shatta Movement. We dey home and we see those videos, even though it is alleged, but we see those videos and we feel proud. Hey, Shatta. Charlie, Shatta Wale, I salute you. What I say, make I wear my heart in a crampon and come in. Oh, and out of 4. Fena Abahano audio was subscribing to Rejoice Media TV. What I say, was subscribing and you could and say, BBI, Adana come. Oh, I don't know. On the fresh and Bassana is that before 7 hours. I'm sure I'm telling him. Alright, so if you want to come and sponsor the program, and actually you can't pay something small, then we do your advert for you, we sell your product for you, you know, it'll be cool. You know. My name is DJ Ike, social media ambassador. You know, the Abajiseno is there for something, you understand? This Abajiseno is there for something. I won't become allergic, so I want it to grow to this side. But my mommy, hey, all my mommy catch me, I go beat me. No problem. So big shout out to my mommy, Madam Comfort. And then Mama calls Munina on multi program the Ella, you are inside Ukraine, God bless you. And then my boss, Mr. Enrico, is also inside Australia, and then Madam Tess inside USA. I greet you all. Thank you. And then Mr. Opon, Mr. Opon also in Britain, always giving me update. Mr. Opon, I salute you. Okay, Yanko, Jumadi so. Shatta Wale along the week, let's say last week, he was allegedly arrested, and then he was being put in jail and then for remand. Let's say 1 week remand, and then the reaction was so massive, and then people complaining, people doing this. And you see, the man was actually focused on something. He was trying to do things that will make police be aware of this false prophet and those stuff. That's why he said he did those things, that thing. So either good or bad, I know you've heard a lot of information. But we woke up today and then we heard that allegedly that Shatta Wale has been sent to Ankafui, and he and Medical. They've sent he and Medical to Ankafui, and then you see the kind of motivation, the kind of pressure. Oh, Charlie, the kind of fans that was coming. Hey, Charlie, if I watch that video now, I'm not sure that get it correct. So you make you go and watch the video and come. Make you go and watch the video and come.
Hey, hey, pop, 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 pop. Live.
Wale. You see, send a mechanic saying Yankupon Shroud, West Shroud, and you found baby out where all grass crying Yankupon Bishroud. And Shatta Wale no could be a prison, and I can say Yara, a quack Niji Rada, prison officer, prisoners. Or more, just say, what that prison banning fee in our Shatta fans. Quite over first who Shatta Wale, I asked him. Ubi also know the Shatta Wale, the Niaji Sana, a big grumpo farm, my channel. And then I Shatta a call on the Niaji because Shatta women in Yadi. Aji, and I say, this one cry is ever something, or say, Uma, your artisan. Yako Bushu, more prison or no, why the Achicho more because we do nothing for life. Marble TV. Baby to send someone see you at her own Bible team, what I say, or no, you don't worry, or no, a parting co, and you so and to shut up, code and say, freedom, shut up, and to a four should you not subscribe what I say. Ochna, yet the update na can you not ready. A baby on the quick one, Yamaka chose a misro, so Oshemia, and Oshemia, team of foot to semi, and young of foot to simple, team I distribute you. So what to go and the day. And they are make us say, what thing now to go. Nasa womb boabe boobia, Mr. Your modern system we are you. So womb boabe boobia, Miss and Chan Castle China. So what this old will be to Quaya Mr. and Chan Castle China. So what this over phobia Juma and Chan Castle China. So what thing. So be so near Biasia and Chan Castle China because of China woman. Nipa na wo born sisi o ma me bo wenyo ma me bo obi biara wo born nden no ka chen say Rejoice Media TV for say nipa ya wo born nden o china se wo kwa hunhihia ma woni ne beba be den e bi twitwa ajo o china se mpo so wan kwa hunhihia mu krampo na nipa na bra born ne busua ka be se nipa na be wo enti the entire generation what's the sun entire generation from bad to good. Obi o poverty no obedem site Yakopon amana so anko si money paradise bi anache se nie no an odi dem a melase ana mediti what I say enti mesrew mabufutu sem ni we alleged reaction enti me the bros anana futu no ene adesrede no me disrew ano ayede woti ama me because we know anije me ma oran ho na me sanso me ma aro ho bebre ti na me bedri am ye den me sa kakra ma se na e fa no aje to me nye fa me ankasa me gina ho no me ma me kora se me nyima asa enti ni aya ne de what I say na de be koni sa enti bisrew Ghana for mon twen Emma DJI social media ambassador me ma me hiti you know aka say oh DJ we love you DJ no e been right na we need your help you know that thing. If you don't know where I need your help, if you go there and subscribe to the channel, you know, I beg. If you subscribe to the channel now, then you share the link to your Facebook pages. Facebook page and the Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, anywhere. If you Rejoice Media TV, you know that me I be humble guy, you know. Our number did that is screen top. So if you take the number and then call us. If you get any updates now, call me. Media, I will reply your message. Ask my buddies. Anybody will send me a message, and I will reply the person. That's me because I'm very active to my WhatsApp platform. Go there, send me a message. The number is 0542914775 and then the studio number is 0240778682. If you get something small where you won't give us, say, DJ, if you use this money buy data antenna, we then cool, you understand? If you have anything to sponsor our program, our door is open, you know. Come and sponsor us so that we can do a lot of things. We have a lot of update, but you know, sometimes you use money for money, you know. So you cannot go and fish without having any bait or any meat. You use meat for meat. The kind of fish you catch, you know, depend on the meat you throw into the water, you understand? So bring something, we also give you something quality. I want you to criticize me, you know. Criticize me. So you go there now, you subscribe and now you comment and I say, DJ, today you're dressing in the should be new. If you crash on me, I beg. I be single guy, you know. Big shout out to my hijab empress, Adiza, Mavis. Mavis is also coming up and she's doing great, you understand? And her name is MC. Go to the channel down there, you see Richland YouTube channel, and then you follow Mavis. And everything cool, you understand? My name is DJ Ike. If I don't greet you, forgive me. But your name is Aseda Pelcris inside of Boise. She's so beautiful, what I say. Maybe I tell Kosiata, Aseda so a tago. Call reply Aseda because she be the best, beautiful. You know the way the crowd answer. Charlie, we go meet again. I greet you. Okay, make her play my song before I go. The crew by me side. My watch, quicker than a suicide.
Me show me happy promise. Me know why quite another novice. Pick up me French man, them from Paris. Pick up me tongues, them a bad like so. Head fully mixed, low compressed. I wonder what shot I never from mine. From downtown to up down.